Hello student, welcome to this channel. Now we are going to see questions and answers of the lesson number 18 water of standard 5th science. Question number 1, what's the solution? A. Soil in a garden gets washed away with the water due to the slope of the land. Answer. Due to the slope, soil gets washed away with water flow. To prevent this erosion, we can plant grass, smaller shrubs or saplings, etc. Next question 2. Use your brain power. How should road and footpaths built to make rainwater seep into the ground? Answer. First, the construction of the road and footpaths must be done in manner that would help the rainwater pass on the underground drainage instead of getting accumulated over the road. Second, the slope should be built toward the rise the rainwater will fall through the drains, and this would be stop the chance of the flooding. Next question number 3, answer the following questions. A. What condition prevail during the famine? Famine means dushkal. Answer. A famine is a widespread shortage of the water. The water level of the different resources decreases. Second, animals and plants cannot survive without water. They may be die lack of water. Third, agriculture is impossible without water, therefore no crops will be there. There will be shortage of water as well as food. Fourth, people have to migrate to other places for water and food. They have to even take domestic animals along with them. In this way, famine is the very critical condition for all living beings. Fourth, the land also dries up to evaporation. Next question B. What work is undertaken to make available even after rainy season? Answer. First, water harvesting can be undertaken to make water available even after the rainy season. Rainwater harvesting refers to the collecting of rainwater. Second, dams and reservoirs can be dug out to store this water. Third, the rainwater falling from the roofs can be collected into the collection tank. Fourth, nala-bunding ditches can be dug to collect the rainwater. Next question C. Why is it necessary to stop rainwater? Answer. First, without water there is no life. Water is necessary to many purposes in our day-to-day life, like drinking, cooking, bathing, agriculture, industrial purposes, etc. Second, if we do not stop the water in rainy season, we will have to face water scarcity entire year. It will affect our day-to-day life. Therefore, it is necessary to stop rainwater. Next question D. What is meant by water management? Answer. There's a shortage of water. To avoid this shortage of water is saved and managed efficiently. Second, two measures take to make water available even after the rainy season is known as the water management. Third, it is activity of the planning, developing, distributing and optimum use of the water resources. Question number 4. True or false? Correct the wrong statement. A. We get rainwater throughout the year. Answer. False. Correct statement. We get rainwater only in rainy season for 4 months. B. During a famine, the government moves people and animals temporarily to the safe places. Answer. True. Next question number 5. Answer the following questions. First, what source of water is used to the public water supply system? Answer. Groundwater is the common source for the home. Rivers, lakes and reservoirs are the usual sources for the large cities. Second, how many liters of water are purified every day? Answer, it depends on the population of the area. How much water to be purified every day? According to the population capacity of water filter membrane, the booster pump capacity are decided. Next, third, what processes are used to make the water clean, transparent, and germ free? Answer, the processes such as filtration, sedimentation, settling are used. Chemical processes such as flocculation and chlorination are used for making water clean, transparent, and germ free. Fourth, what is done to rid the water of bad smells? Answer, adding powdered activated carbon to water and using of the granular activated carbon, that is the GAC, in the water filter can be removed taste and color. Powdered activated carbon PAC is the preferred method when the taste and odor is the moderate and infrequent.